Good morning, this is Nolan with Kooima Ag. Today I want to show you an installation on our newly designed bale ripper. We designed this so that when you throw in big round bales in your mixer, that they don't sit on top of your auger and just sit there for minutes and minutes at a time. This bale ripper is designed to take pieces off the bale and put those pieces down into the rest of the knives so that you can more efficiently spend your time during the day mixing with your mixer. We designed the bale ripper to go on the second knife from top. So leave the first one alone. Install the bale ripper in between the auger and the knife. I want you to sandwich this in between and put it right here. We also put an extended life coating on our bale rippers so that they'll last you a long time. Give us a call at 1-800-522-8874. We'll be more than happy to help you and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for your time.